Hi everybody, welcome back to My Crazy Pilates Life, where today we will be discussing shoulder mobility. The two exercises that I'll be showing today address what's called scapulohumeral rhythm. This rhythm is essentially coordinating the movements of the humerus, the scapula, the clavicle, the thoracic and cervical spine, along with the head. Coordinating these things together is necessary for any activity where the arms move above shoulder height. These exercises are easy, but effective at smoothing out the coordination of the upper body, decreasing upper body tension, and improving upper body mobility. Here we begin with pinwheel. Lying on our side, the idea is to trace the arm forward, then circle the arm up and over the head, around to the back to make a full circle. Keep the hand as close to the mat as comfortable. The idea is to move as smoothly as possible through the full range of motion and coordinate the rotation of the hips, torso, and head. Again, the purpose is to improve the mobility of the scapula and train the coordination of the spine, shoulder, and arm. Telescope arms begins the same as pinwheel. We're lying on the side with both arms extended in front of the chest. The idea is to glide or trace the top arm forward and over the bottom arm, allowing the torso to rotate forward. So here you can see that I'm tracing that top arm all the way through the chest, extending that arm away. Look at my fingers as they point down to the floor, and then I'm going to actively trace my arm back to start position. If you have a desire to move better and you're interested in Pilates, click subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.